So budgeted trip starts with a budgeted journey, and that's the reason I choose the Indian Railways Jan Shatabdi, 250 rupees, Mumbai to Goa. So I've always heard that trips to Goa can be really cheap. That's the reason I'm traveling with my friend to Palolem on a weekday, trying to figure out the cheapest stay. Let's see, let's check out the adventure. Wait, jaldi. So getting into the bus for Kankona, that'll take to Palolem. So after coming to Palolem beach, we hunted for huts and finally we got this one for 900 a night. Beach huts in Palolem are really cool. I've got this big bed which can approximately fit 3 people, and as I walk in, there's this attached bathroom with all facilities and hot water that you can expect, all for just 900 Indian rupees. Exploring Patnem, that's a new beach. Finally we are here at Patnem and it looks amazing. Right there. I recommend that you have to come to South Goa and Patnem especially. It's amazing, and look at the ambience right there. That you can see, it's Palolem beach right there, and we trekked through some rocks to reach this beautiful place, no man's land. Guys, Palolem is beautiful. Like, we trekked and come over here, and that's Pandu doing some push-ups right behind me over there. Woo! From there, we decided to go to Kola Beach. This has to be one of the best beaches that you would ever come and explore in South Goa. Not many people know about this beach because the roads are not really that well made, but then you can obviously have a bike or probably just walk down and come here at Kola Beach, because on one side you've got the sea and on the other side right there you've got the lagoon. And you know, you've got fresh water right there. So dip into the sea, come into the fresh water, get fresh, you can probably kayak maybe, and then have a good time. Plus they've got shacks here. So I think this is one of the most important beaches and the most beautiful beaches that everyone should come in. Finally, I've boarded my train from Madgaon to Mumbai and I'm done with my Goa trip in less than 5,000 rupees, excluding the food and alcohol comes to 2,200. If you think my vlog was helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe.